Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make MUD/WTR. First, let's gather our essential items. You'll need your MUD/WTR blend, a mug, and hot water. Many people also enjoy adding a creamer or a touch of sweetener to enhance the flavor. Make sure your water is heated to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit just before boiling to properly dissolve the blend and bring out its unique notes. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful beverage. Now, let's get to the mixing. Take 1 level tablespoon of your MUD/WTR blend and place it into your favorite mug. Next, carefully pour about 8 to 10 ounces of hot water over the powder. It's important to stir the mixture thoroughly or use a frother to ensure all the MUD/WTR powder is completely dissolved. This prevents any clumps and creates a smooth, consistent drink ready for your enjoyment. Once your MUD/WTR is mixed, it's time to personalize it. Many find that adding a creamer, such as oat milk, almond milk, or coconut milk, greatly enhances the experience. You can also sweeten it naturally with a small amount of maple syrup or honey. For an extra luxurious touch, use a frother to blend everything together. This creates a wonderfully creamy texture, similar to a latte, making your MUD/WTR even more enjoyable and satisfying. Finally, it's time to enjoy your freshly prepared MUD/WTR. Take a moment to let it cool to a comfortable drinking temperature. This beverage is perfect for starting your day with a gentle boost or as a calming afternoon pick-me-up. Don't hesitate to experiment with various creamers, sweeteners, and even spices like cinnamon or cardamom to discover your perfect personalized blend. Each cup offers a unique and nourishing experience, tailored just for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.